Mahaweli Water Security Investment Program is developing water infrastructure to improve water use efficiency and productivity for irrigated agriculture. The infrastructure includes conveyance canals and tunnels to transform water for irrigation. Water is transferred from Mahaweli Basin to cascade tank systems and storage reservoirs in north-central, northern, and northwestern provinces. Further, the program addresses issues of drinking water, land development, climate change, and food security. MWSIP implements three major projects: the rehabilitation of Minapi Left Bank Canal, the construction of the Northwestern Province Canal, and the construction of the North Central Province Canal. Through this initiative, nearly 2 million people in the target areas will be benefited and 100,000 hectares of agricultural land will receive water facilities. As part of the NCPC project, the construction of Kalaganga-Moraga-Hakanda Transfer Canal has been successfully completed. In November 2024, a tunnel testing was conducted by transferring water from Kalaganga Reservoir to Moraga-Hakanda Reservoir. This 7.8 kilometers tunnel will efficiently transport 100 mcm of water annually from the Kalaganga to the Moraga-Hakanda Reservoir. As shown on the map, the NCP Canal, which begins at Moraga-Hakanda Reservoir, runs up to Yakala and further to Mahakanadarawa Tank. The first construction package of the NCPC is temporarily on hold and will resume under a revised construction schedule. Meanwhile, intensive construction is progressing on the 28-kilometer-long tunnel of the NCPC. This newly renovated road leads to the southern portal of the tunnel, which is one of the key workstations of this tunnel construction. At the northern portal, tunnel excavation is continuing day and night shifts. 2 tunnel boring machines, TBMs, are tirelessly tunneling along the tunnel path. As of now, nearly 15 kilometers of the 27-kilometer tunnel has been excavated. In this yard, segments are being manufactured to line the tunnel's inner surface. About 12,000 segments will be needed to complete the entire tunnel. Here, the 800-meter outlet of the tunnel, also under inward excavation using drill and blast method. As shown on the map, 91 kilometers long Northwestern Province Canal begins at Wemadilla Reservoir. This initial 7-kilometer section, extending from Wemadilla Reservoir to the Nabadagawata area, was completed and handed over to the Irrigation Ministry. This open conduit canal runs up to Nabadagawata area. This gated structures located in Nabadagawata has been designed to release water in 3 directions. Here, the canal crosses the A6 road and connects with Ranwedia Short Tunnel. With the Ranwedia Short Tunnel, which is completed fully. From there, the canal runs as an open canal through farmlands until it reaches the Nilagama Tunnel, which also been fully completed. As the canal passes permanent farmlands and forest areas, it transforms into a closed conduit designed to cover harmoniously with natural vegetation. Special overpass cross structures have been constructed here to serve as pathways for wild elephants and other animals to cross the canal. marks the canal end here at the proposed starting point of the Mahakithula Tunnel. This 600-meter tunnel will be excavated through the highland forest area, ultimately connecting to the future Mahakithula Reservoir. The Minapi Left Bank Canal project has significantly enhanced water management in the Minapi scheme by raising the Minapi Cut weir by 3.5 meters. This upgrade has created a mini reservoir with a capacity of 1.1 million cubic meters. Additionally, the project has fully modernized the sluice gates of the Left Bank Canal, ensuring improved water flow control. Renovation work is also underway on the head structures of the Right Bank Canal to further enhance the system's efficiency. The newly constructed operations building on the left bank is now fully functional and actively in use. An information center has also been established within this facility to educate visitors and communities about the rich history of Minapi Cut. 74 kilometers long left bank canal originating from Minapi Cut has now been fully renovated and handed over to the irrigation department. This renovation has resolved the critical issue of water shortages in Minapi scheme, enabling third season cultivation.
Commercial Agriculture Development, CAD, is revolutionizing traditional subsistence farming practices. As part of the Mahaweli Water Security Investment Program, an export-oriented CAD initiative will be integrated into Stage 2, targeting high economic returns for the North Central Province Canal investment while improving the livelihoods of farming families. Spanning 4,000 hectares of land in the North Central Province, the project will transform underproductive upland areas in minor tank cascade systems into productive fruit plantations with high export demand, including mangoes, guavas, and pomegranates. These plantations will be irrigated by modern, solar-powered on-demand irrigation systems. The CAD program will also support approximately 2,000 hectares of existing commercial agricultural areas in the North Central Province, which are currently not producing sufficient quality products to meet global market demand. Private sector agricultural service providers will play a crucial role in ensuring high-quality, year-round production volumes to meet global market standards. The CAD program will also connect farmers with reputable exporters through cooperative societies, fostering sustainable marketing practices. With 50,000 families benefiting both directly and indirectly, the CAD initiative will enhance livelihoods, food security, and employment opportunities. Farmers will contribute their labor, machinery, and financial resources to the project. Public-private partnerships will be instrumental in improving market access, maintaining quality standards, and developing value-added agricultural products. By implementing efficient water management, innovative irrigation techniques, and sustainable farming practices, the CAD program supports Sri Lanka's vision of a modern, globally competitive agricultural sector.
In 2023, the MWSIP facilitated the Mahaweli Authority for launching a program to enhance agricultural productivity and strengthen food security. During its first phase, 50 polytunnels and 600 smart farm units were established, with local farmers to produce hybrid chili seeds and dried chili. Big onion seeds also were distributed to encourage cultivation, resulting in a remarkable yield exceeding 20,000 metric tons of big onion. Similarly, maize seeds were distributed, contributing an additional 10,000 metric tons to the national maize production. To support poultry farming, 41,500 chicks were provided to farmers, boosting the egg production, and it added over 10 million eggs to the national production. The first phase, with a total investment of $2 million, laid the foundation for sustainable agricultural transformation. The program's second phase, launched with an investment of $3 million, focuses on promoting egg, fish, and milk production to meet local protein requirement. So far, 100,000 chicks have been distributed, producing over 9 million eggs. Additionally, 375 dairy farmers are receiving expert guidance for increasing local milk production by 10,000 to 12,000 liters. A fish breeding center is also being established in the Mahaweli Zone B, targeting 3,500 families engaged in fishing across large and small tanks in the dry zone. MWSIP is undertaking a special initiative to install 60 radio collars on wild elephants under the Wildlife Management Plan. These collars enable the tracking and monitoring of elephant movements, providing valuable data for conservation efforts. The primary goal of this program is to minimize human-elephant conflict while identifying and safeguarding elephant corridors using scientifically gathered insights.